Cheers to having a productive day today. Good morning. And I also, like, within this productive day, I'm going to be sharing like kind of the things that I've been doing to build a new routine post grad, because I'm starting this like not full-time because I still work my other job, but pretty much full-time content creator. YouTube, I'm talking YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and then I'm also doing UGC creating, which if you want to hear more about, I always tell you guys here, but I've also been sharing a lot on my TikTok. All my links will be down below if you guys after want to like check everything out. Also subscribe if you're new here. But yeah, the first thing we do when we're building a new routine is first figure out what you want to do, right? You have to figure out what you want to do, and you have to have that little spark of motivation. And for me, it was realizing that, okay, girl, you gotta wake up earlier. So that's exactly what I've been doing. I've been waking up earlier. I'm also going to film like a morning routine coming soon, so stay tuned for that one. You have to wake up earlier, set your alarms, go to sleep early, and then actually get up when it's time to get up. So that's what I do, is I set an alarm for a little before I want to get up so I can like ease my way into waking up and getting out of bed, and then I get ready. So I'm ready for the day. I got dressed so that I can get into filming and all the things. So I'm kind of like also bringing you guys, I guess, a little bit of behind the scenes of like a typical now day in my life as a content creator. So lots more of those to come. If freaking bra shop is showing. This top is from Zara. It's just a little racer back crop top, and then my shorts are from Aritzia. And then we made ourselves some coffee and we made ourselves some breakfast, and I'm ready to like literally get started with all that I want to get done today. So that's how you at least build like that morning jump start, and then you do that every single day, because guys, time flies. You need to make the most out of every single hour of the day. So we're gonna actually, I forgot to bring my little journal, so we're gonna do something a little different today. We're gonna make a list on my phone, on my notes, and do like a little checklist throughout the day. Just posted a little TikTok. I'm gonna now post it to Reels and then also post it on YouTube Shorts, so I have to like save it. Also, peep my little unboxing from my Dyson. 29,000 views. I was like shook. You guys know I love showing you guys new products, so I'm gonna actually show you guys a little PR package. I feel like I'm so low. Maybe I need to lower you guys. Let's do a little PR haul before I get to like doing more filming and stuff. I'm also going to be using new products on my eyebrows because I didn't fill them in this morning. So anyways, I got 2 new products from Fresh Beauty. So I got their milk hand cream with soothing plant-based milks, and it's really like hydrating. It's supposed to like hydrate your hands and stuff even after you wash them, which is amazing. I always feel like I have dry like freaking hands, and it's so annoying. And then another product from them, like, I mean, look at the packaging of their products. I'm obsessed. This is their fresh milk body lotion. So it's the same thing, but one's a hand cream and one's a body lotion. So I'm super excited. I already have been using this and I love it. Like, my hands feel so soft. It's not like a weird texture. It's just like very creamy, and I'm really like obsessed with it. And then from Sephora collection, I got the Insta Brow Waxy Brow Pencil, and I got one in chocolate brown, and then I got the same one but in clear. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna film it and show you guys. Well, I'm gonna film for TikTok, so this is where like the multitasking comes in handy. You guys are gonna watch me like put it on as well, but I'm also gonna be filming for TikTok. I think I'm gonna do the clear one today. It is so waxy like, actually. It's kind of funny feeling. You guys, this is actually fire. I'm gonna link it below. I actually like it, and it's not giving me that like super wet and like flaky as of right now. I'll keep you updated if it looks flaky later. But like, look at the difference. It just like sleeks it, and it's no color, obviously. It just makes them look like really groomed. But I'm having beef with this eyebrow today. Okay, I need to step away. I just filmed that. Sorry if you hear construction, but they actually look good. I like it, but I need to make lunch, because one thing with doing what I'm doing is, first of all, I'm always on my phone. I'm always doing something. I'm always trying to film content, create content. I feel like I'm fighting with the people outside, just trying to be louder than them. But I need to prevent myself from burning out, so I need to make sure I'm also freaking eating lunch. It's definitely past a little lunchtime. I'm gonna make myself some oatmeal. I still don't have freaking honey. So I'm going to make myself some oatmeal, and I'm actually going to sit outside to eat it, enjoy it. This is how I prevent like burnout and just like overworking myself, because I need to enjoy, you know, some time away from working and filming. I mean, I can still be doing a little bit of work, but you know, it's just the idea of just like relaxing, being one with nature, being outside more, because it's important. So let's make our oatmeal. Guys, I found the honey. We have like a little bit left, so I'm literally turning it upside down because I'm gonna get every little squirt of this left. This is like really good because I'm not putting sugar or anything, so this is like the sweetness plus the banana. Here's my healthy hot girl summer lunch. Go make it. Lunch was so good. I'm also gonna be using the Dyson again. You guys would have seen my Dyson like first impressions pretty much, and I've already know the mistakes that I made in that video, and I'm going to be posting like more shorts. This isn't like a dedicated Dyson video, but if you want to see those, I'm going to be posting on TikTok and also here on YouTube Shorts. So definitely go check out my YouTube Shorts content. But my first mistake was letting my hair was like air drying really fast, and so you're supposed to, I think from what I've read, like I've seen so many people do different things, like I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know. So today I'm gonna try out using mousse in my hair. Apparently that also works really well. We'll see. And right now I'm about to do some more filming, so I think this is gonna be the last thing I like shoot today, maybe, besides like the Dyson for now. So I'm filming another video. I don't think this is gonna go up today. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna post this tomorrow. This is like, my room is a mess right now, so I just have everything thrown. I will link the new tripod I got. Anybody can use this tripod. It's like also amazing. You can use it to like take selfies, whatever. I'll just link everything that I use for like tech and stuff is in my Amazon storefront, and these I'm doing like a little video of like all my favorite Amazon sunglasses because they have the trendiest stuff. So under the list in my Amazon storefront literally says trendy sunglasses. Go check it out.
Reaching your fingers to the top of your mat. Let's reach to the left side of your mat to stretch up the right side of your back. We're going to open the back, look up to the sky. Spot just to let go of any tension in the back of your legs. Provide the first chaturanga down to your knees. Bend your elbows, chest, and chin. Upward dog. Pull the foot inward. We're actually stretching the soleus of your foot. One more time. Step forward. High lunge.
Camera is dying. I just did a yoga flow, which was like for stress relief, which is gonna be like my new thing that I do every week, and I feel like this is gonna be such a good way for me to unwind and, like I said, prevent burnout and just take that extra step away from working and being on my phone, because I feel like as a content creator I'm always on my phone, I'm always on my computer, I'm always doing things, and yes, I love it and it's like a job that I love to do, so it doesn't feel like a job, but it can be a lot and it's not good to always be on it, and you need to have boundaries regardless, because you know everybody deserves boundaries when it comes to their jobs. So I think taking time, which I'm going to do reading later. I was going to do it outside, but like I said, I ate lunch outside instead, which is still very relaxing, but this is going to be a great way for me to help myself just relax, not be on my phone, take that step away, and also do yoga. That's good for stress relief, because obviously sometimes I feel like unconsciously or whatever comes like added stress or anxiety with like being overwhelmed with work, and so this is definitely going to help me, because I love that she's at the beach doing it too. It just is so relaxing. I'll link it below, but I love yoga. So we're gonna go and shower now. Okay, let's try out the lotion. But guys, I freaking dropped a curling iron on my leg. Good morning, you guys. I decided to carry the vlog into today. It's still like a productive vlog, you know, like showing the days in my life also as a content creator, but it's Friday now, so it's 5 a.m. We're going to the gym now. We're hitting a 5 a.m. gym session, which is fun and exciting. It's leg day. That's what you got to do when you're trying to have productive days as well, like sleep early, wake up early. Alright, back from the gym. It's shower time. I'm literally so hungry. I can't wait to eat. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired, but we're gonna get a shower, eat, and then get started with the day. I need to also figure out what I'm gonna wear today because I need to take pictures. So this is like my content day. So I'm showing you guys what I do as a creator. So I'm gonna batch create some photos so I can have throughout the next couple of days photos to post on Instagram in between me posting reels. So let's shower. Getting ready. I just did my eyebrows with the Insta Waxy Brow and Clear. And I just wanted to put you guys on because you guys know my obsession with trying mascaras and stuff, right? So usually I will have to curl my lashes, obviously put the mascara on, and then they're good to go. And so this is the Falsies Lash Lift. Now, these actually lift your lashes. I do not even need to curl them, and they make them look as if they're curled, which is like a plus for me because hello, usually like my eyelashes will just stay straight with any other mascara. If I don't curl them and I put mascara on, they won't really look cute. So if you are like me and like also it just saves you a step sometimes, you know, don't get me wrong, sometimes I still love to do my roller lash and stuff like that, like my Milk Makeup one, but the fact that I don't need to curl my lashes and this one works, I'm obsessed. I'll link it below. 9 a.m. so we're getting lots done. We got the gym done. Now we're gonna get pictures done and then I can do my other UGC work. Right now we're driving to Starbucks because I don't have any more milk and my mom lost a bet and owed me Starbucks, so we're getting Starbucks. And also it's a good prop for my pictures actually. So yeah, I'll show you guys outfit details and stuff when we get there because I'm about to have to go into Starbucks. But you guys know my usual caramel macchiato. I got it iced with oat milk. Scared her. Yo, scared me. Alright guys, just got my coffee. Saw my sister there. It was funny. Alright, we're about to take pictures of this little location over here. I just find random spots, honestly. Alright, first outfit is this Zara top. I got it last summer. It's orange. It's perfect summer. I'm trying to get my Instagram to be obviously like summer feed. And then these shorts are like longer shorts from Princess Polly. I literally had to pee so bad. I'm putting my hair back up. Just finished shooting outfit number 2. Look at how many freaking pictures we've been taking. My boyfriend is literally like, you know the TikTok trend is like you trained your boyfriend. So this is one outfit and then the other outfit. Because obviously I look and then I see, okay, like this pose or this way looks good. I love how the orange outfit came out because I used these sunglasses, which are like orange sunglasses. I use these. It's these sunglasses right here. They're super cute for summertime and it matched like the orange with the orange. This top is from H&M. It's just like a ribbed black top and then I'm wearing Aritzia biker shorts and then I was wearing my Yeezys and I just changed back into my Adidas and stuff. I have another outfit that includes this wrap top. This top is like those button-up tops, but it's like a summery one. And then I brought like a yellow top. I'm telling you guys, I'm trying to make my freaking feed summery because that's the vibes. You go along with the seasons. I should probably drink water. The other picture now or later, but it's this top. And this top is just like a yellow crop top. And it's from Yes Style. Okay, I'm about to upload pictures to Instagram. So I'm using color tone to edit and like put the filter that I use on. And this is the filter that I like. And I just like turn it down.